factorization of difference of 2 square. Okay, so let's see how it goes. Number one, you have solution. Okay, so we have number one as 181 minus w squared. So when you are given this kind of factorization, you look at it, there is a number that you square and you have 81. What is that number? It is 9. You have 9 square will give you 89. And so automatically, this, you open two brackets. One is plus, one is minus. So you have here 9, take one of these. You can say minus first or minus w. You open another bracket, 9 plus w. And that is your answer. Okay? It's as simple as ABC. So don't make it too complex. Just look at it the way it's given and you will understand it. It's simple. Okay? So let's also do number 2. Number 2, we have s squared minus 1. Okay? So what you need to is to square 1. You can have s squared 1 square. Okay? So once you have it like this, you now open your two bracket. X, it can be plus 1 and x minus 1. So that is your answer. Okay? Don't make it hard. That is difference of 2 square. Number 3, we have 4h square minus 25. Okay? So once you are given like this one, you cannot form, there is nothing common here that can go. But there is a number, when you square it, you have 4. And when there is a number you square, you have 25. And so we have 2 square is the same thing as what? 4. 5 square is the same thing as 25. Okay? So now, you can pair this one together as 2h, everything square is still the same thing, 5 square. Okay? So that you can have it like normal 2 numbers. So you have 2h plus 5 into 2h minus 5. So that is the answer. It's as simple. In your exercise book, those of you in senior high school, go and look at it and do it. And once you are solving mathematical problem, don't just watch the video and say you understand it. Pick a rough paper, write down the question, solve it, and see whether you arrive at the same answer. Okay? Number 4. We have p square q square minus 16. So it's similar. So what will you square to have 16? That is 4. If you find a common factor, it will arrive that. So you have p square, pq, you put it in bracket square, minus 4 square. Okay? So you have pq in one bracket minus 4. So you can write the minus side of the bracket first. pq plus 4. That is the answer. Okay? So lastly is number 5. Number 5. We have 5c square minus 45d square. So what we do? In this one, 5 can go into 45, into 5 and 45. And therefore, so if we take, because we need to reduce this one first and see what we are left with. It will be 5c square minus what? 9. 9d square. Okay? So you can see that there is a number you square to have 9, and that is 3. So you do it because there is minus already. That is the essence of the essence of difference of 2 squared. Once you have You hear difference means minus, subtraction, difference. So once you have minus like this, try to reduce the expression further. Okay. And so, like I told you, we already have something similar to the previous one we have solved. So we can go ahead further and simplify more. So we have C minus 3D. You open another bracket, C plus 3D. And that solves our problem. So with this, if you go to your textbooks, try to do more of the example. Don't watch and say you understand it. You must solve several examples to know that you actually know it. That is how to solve mathematics. It's not by reading, it's not an English, or it's not any other literature course. So make sure you solve it and arrive at the same answer. See you in the next video.